Cellebrite presents its extended range of mobile forensic solutions, now offering the same trusted UFED technology in a range of flexible platform options for any mobile forensic operation. UFED Touch, a standalone, portable, easy-to-use touchscreen device. UFED for PC, a PC-based solution for use on any PC or laptop. And UFED TK, a turnkey solution. UFED applications pre-configured on a rugged Panasonic Toughbook. Perfect for a streamlined workflow in tough conditions. And that's not all. UFED Link Analysis, a new addition to UFED applications. A powerful analysis tool to immediately identify and analyze connections between multiple mobile devices. Cellebrite provides you with everything you need for successful mobile forensic investigations anywhere. All products are based on proprietary technology, enabling forensically sound extraction of data and passwords from more than 10,000 device profiles. Cellebrite's mobile forensic solutions are the tools of choice for thousands of specialists in law enforcement, military, intelligence, e-discovery, and government agencies in more than 60 countries. Cellebrite's UFED series, extending mobile forensics to new dimensions.